English pa niya ako mag-English.
First is, how do a citizen of your country perceive Filipinos?
As fun, you know, because it's very helpful here for us as a people to it's fun, you know, vacation.
Second is, how do you think Filipino perceive a citizen of your country?
Depends, I think. I would say for my country here.
Third is, describe the difference in manner of speaking.
Speaking like in native language or in English?
In English.
In English, I think it depends which person from my country, because all the people I met here speak actually really good English, so compared to my country.
Thank you. Next is, what a different behavior of Filipinos that are not acceptable or not usual than in your home country.
Ese es la vez que se puede ver I don't think so.
Thank you. Next is, what are similarities of Filipinos and citizens of your country in terms of behavior and thinking?
I think we are both very welcoming everybody, very friendly, both of us. So positive, a lot of Europeans.
Next is, what your most difficult adjustment staying in the Philippines?
Wow.
In the heat.
English
So hot.
No English.
Last is, how you ever experience difficult in trusting or communicating in English with Filipinos? If yes, tell your group about experience.
Not so much, because I mean, even if you don't, like people don't understand English, you can still communicate with like signs and everything with your hands. So not so much.
Thank you for our interview.
Thank you.